In this video, you will learn about two functions, rename and with column in PySpark. Let's import Spark session from PySpark.sql import Spark session. I'll make an object Spark and I will create the Spark session and save in this object. So I will call the class Spark session dot builder dot get or create. Now I'm going to read a CSV file and save in a data frame df. I'll make one data frame df. I will call this Spark session Spark. From this I will call the method read.csv. Inside this I will pass my CSV file name house.csv. Then I will pass two parameters in first schema and this is going to be true. The next parameter is header. This is also going to be true. Let's execute our code. To look at our data frame, we will use the method show. I will call df.show. And this is our data frame. We are having columns such as overall quality, ground living area, garage area, and sale price. First, we will look at the function with column. What is with column and how it works. So with column function is used to create a new column. But if you give the same column name, then it will replace the original column and creates a new one. So whenever you want to create a new column in PySpark data frame, you will always have to use the method with column. We will create a new column which will have the new variable double of sale price. So for example, here the sale price is 208500. Our new column will be the twice of the sale price. So let's do that. I will call our data frame df, then I will call the function with column, and this new column name will be, let's say, new sale price, and this will be the double of the original sale price. I'll call this column sale price df dot sale price, and since this is going to be the double, I will multiply it by 2 and then I will call the method show to look at the results dot show. Now here in the output you can see we got a new column here, new sale price, and this sale price is the double of this 208500. So this is how you will use this with column to create any new column. We can also divide the sale price by 2 and create a new column. Let's say I will write df dot with column, and this new column name will be divide sale price. I'm giving any random column name, and this will be the df dot sale price divide by 2, and then we will look at the result using the method show. Now here in the output you can see I got a new column here, divide sale price, that I have defined here, divide sale price, and this is nothing but the division of this sale price. I have divided all the sale price by 2 here, and this is the output. This way you can use this with column function to create a new column in PySpark data frame. Now we will look at the next function with column rename. We can rename our columns using this function. Now we have so many columns names here. We have overall quality, ground living area, garage area, sale price, and let's say you want to rename a column. So in that case you will use the method with column rename. Let's say we will rename our column sale price as just price. So instead of the sale price I will just rename this to price. Now let's do that. I will call df, and to rename our column we will use the method with column renamed. And now here first we will type the original column name. Our original column name is sale price. Then the new column name, I want to give the new column name as just price, then dot show. Let's execute our code. Now in the output you can see our column name sale price has been renamed to price only. So whenever you want to rename your column, you will use this method with column rename. I'll copy this code from here and I'll show you one more example. Let's say this time I want to rename the first column overall quality. So I'll type this original column name here. First will be my original column name, then second will be my new column name. Let's say I will rename this column as quality. Now let's execute our code. Here in the output you can see my new column name is quality. This is how you can rename any column in this PySpark data frame. So this video was about how you can use this with column function and rename column in PySpark. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.